Kenya continues to look for cheaper and affordable masks with required quality. Riva Tex company in Uasin Gishu County has offered lasting solutions by manufacturing cheap and large quantity of masks to millions of Kenyans. Let's join John Wanyama. John is joining us right now from Uasin Gishu. John, it's great to see you this morning. How soon will those masks be ready?
Very good morning to you, Zinzi. As clearly you can see, we are at Riva Tex company here, and the work is really going on. And they are saying they already started distributing these masks to various shops in Uasin Gishu County. And as you know, just a surgical mask in Uasin Gishu is going at around 200 shillings from 50 shillings where it was selling like 1 month ago before coronavirus. But now Riva Tex has walked in with a solution because they are now making masks that are selling at around 50 shillings, which is way cheaper with a difference of 150 shillings. And clearly, as you can see, Zinzi, they are really doing their job clearly, and they are saying their masks are very quality masks with 3 layers. And as you can see, this lady here, they are saying they have this one for inner one, and then they have an outer one that they ensure their masks having 3 layers. Now, this is a government institution which is making 30,000 masks per day, and they are saying this is the only solution now to Kenyans, especially thousands of people in Eldoret and the neighboring counties. And we have seen also masks being taken to other counties and all the way to Kakamega, Busia, all the way to West Pokot and Trans Nzoia. Now, Uasin Gishu residents, at least Zinzi, as per now, as we are waiting to talk to the Riva Tex MD to arrive here so that he can also give us in perspective what really are they doing for having these masks. This is the only company in this country, Zinzi, a government company that starts from stitching the cotton raw material to all the way to final material, to fine ones. This from raw material all the way to final product. This is the only company that Zinzi it's only doing this particular job, and it's really they should be given a hard clap just to appreciate them, whatever they are doing here. And since they are saying they are doing this to ensure that Kenyans are no longer exploited on the market with the highest prices, where now other scrupulous business people are taking advantage of Kenyans just to ensure, or just to sell them expensive masks on the market. And by this time, as we are talking to MD earlier on, he was saying this is the time Kenyans should really care for each other, and they should not really maybe sell the masks at expensive prices, just taking advantage. And the MD is here. If we can talk to him, sir, good morning, just for 2 minutes, and maybe if you can tell us how many masks are you making a day, and how has this saved Kenyans, especially in this region, now that unscrupulous business people taking advantage?
Okay, Kes, again, good morning. I'm very happy to visit by Citizen News. As you can see behind me is a production of the face mask. We have 2 types. We have the reusable one, and we have surgical mask like the one I am wearing now. We have been able to make 40,000 meters, so 40,000 pieces per day, which has really been a very much impact on the safety of COVID-19 to prevent COVID-19 epidemic. Actually, in this community, we have been able to serve the counties around us. Also, up to the counties of Nyeri, all to Homa Bay, all the way to Kisumu. We have been able to serve with these COVID-19 face masks. And as I said, we are going to even improve our services to even produce more, so that we can also serve the entire region, the entire country, in terms of preventing this COVID-19.
How many masks maybe how much are you selling a mask, and maybe are you selling, because this is a government institution, are you going to maybe to be a 24-hour economy here so that we can make more?
Actually, to be honest, we are already running 24 hours to be able to do 40,000 meters pieces per day. At the same time, we are also selling at 35 shillings so that to serve and also to cover our expenses, because these are the people that are operating 24 hours and they need to be paid, and also all the expenses we are incurring in production of these face masks. So I want to say that as we are also enhancing 24 hours, we are also increasing the number of tailors so that we reach 50,000, 60,000 per day. And that's our trend now, that we want to do this. And I want to thank the government for supporting us reach this far. As you can see, we have really modernized this factory, and we are doing the best so that we can produce enough PPEs so that we can serve this country and also to prevent this COVID-19. I want to say that our quality is the best. We have all the registration and certified by KEPS, and our prevention is over 99%. So I want to say, I urge the common mwananchi, please buy from us, because at least you are assured you are prevented from COVID-19. Otherwise, we are very happy, and that we want to say that we want to support Buy Kenya, Fuel Kenya initiative, and that is actually what Kenya is under the Big Four agenda.
All right. Thank you. Zinzi, as clearly you can hear from the MD, because of time, we will be talking to him in our other subsequent bulletins. But as you have heard from him, is that their masks are the best quality, protecting you at a percentage of 99% that you will not get that virus. So Zinzi, we are still following up on this particular story. We'll be coming back to you and our viewers wherever they are to inform you more from Riva Tex Company.
Much Wanyama. That's John Wanyama. As you can see, he is a report in Uasin Gishu. Uasin Gishu is joining one of the few counties that we have in the country that are making masks. Thank you so much, John.